Hi everybody, it's Aki, and in today's video we are going to be going over the system that I use for my finances. It's called the Dave Ramsey Cash Envelope System. It has really changed the game for me, especially because I'm about to move to Florida, one of the most expensive states, with my fiance and a newborn, and this has just really worked for us. And so if you want to learn more about this cash envelope system, I've started it about 4 months ago, and it taught me so much about myself and about my spending and about saving. And if you just want to learn more about it, keep on watching my video. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my happy planner that I got last year. Didn't really use it, so I used 2 months out of it. So I reorganized it to start in January, but this month I still needed December, so I have December 1st, then it's gonna go to January. And I have the Budget Moms worksheets right here that I've been using. So let's go ahead and get this out of the way. These are my cash envelopes. I made these in the disbound envelopes so that you can just easily, you know, I just love disbound now. But yeah, we are going to be stuffing, I don't really even know how much. I think it's like $7.40. Yeah, I don't know. This was a paycheck that I got like 2 months ago or no, a month ago, and I wanted to wait until I could do a cash stuffing. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 45, 55, 65, 75, 80. So we have 680 that we are about to stuff. Let's separate the money. I'm going to get a cash tray as soon as I can find one. I guess from, like, I don't know, Ross, not Ross. Yeah, Ross, TJ Maxx, somewhere, but this has to be organized better because I can't function. First, we have car maintenance, and car maintenance is getting $15. I used some money from out of car maintenance to get a car wash. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. And I do have trackers, but I'm in the process of switching out envelopes, and I'm also switching out trackers because the trackers that I were using, they do not fit in this envelope, and they're also not disbound. So I have to create my own, which is okay. Now we have our savings. We are going to put 50 into our savings. 40, 50. I need to work up my savings. I've been really focusing on my emergency fund. So my savings hasn't been receiving much attention, but now that my emergency fund is almost fully funded, my savings is next. All right, so we have 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 202 in savings. Utility. Did I even put anything? Utilities is getting 30. So utility now have 400, 20, 40. That's a lot of fives. Okay. 400, 20, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 81, 80, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So we have 490 in utilities. But I made these placeholders. They are a hot mess. But on them, it says lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth. Proverbs 10:4, or Proverbs, however y'all say it, 10:4. But yeah, this is my very first time making these placeholders, so I know exactly how to do it now. Also, I need to figure out what type of ink and paper I need to get so that it can show up a little bit better. But this is a placeholder if you have between $100 and $900 in the bank account that you don't want to keep in your envelopes. You can just write it, and then if you get like 500, you will erase it with alcohol, and then you'll put 500. So that is utility. I could have put these in alphabetical order because I'm all over the place right now. I have no specific order that I'm going in, which makes it a little bit harder. So utilities has $250. I mean, rent discount has $250. 240. What row? Okay, y'all, hold on. All right, get my stuff together. Get it together, Aki. So we should have $250 in this envelope. So 1, 2, 20, 40, 45, 50. All right, and we just gonna add it into our envelope, however you pronounce it. Okay, I really don't want to count it. Not gonna count it. Okay, car insurance. We're gonna be adding $35 to our car insurance. 20, 25, 30. And my goal for car insurance is to pay car insurance 5 months in advance, so I don't have to worry about it. So car insurance has 5, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 60, 50. 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65. That's 65, 66, 67, 68. So $668 in car insurance. Is that right? Add a little bit extra. Okay. Not sure like what's going on. Household is getting 20. House things is for like furniture, household things that we may need. Taxes. I want to do taxes. I'm gonna do. Let me go. I'm gonna do taxes last because I'm tired of taxes. Okay. All right. So in taxes, we're gonna add 120. So we have 1,000, 2,000, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. 2,170. That was right. My credit card bill. This is not getting stuff because I already added it. Because like I said, this was an old paycheck and I have to pay my credit card bill. So all of this money is going to the bank. So all I have to do is like take the envelope out like that, put it in my wallet, and I'm good to go. RL is getting $20. I had recently just added $190 from her baby shower. Well, from the baby shower. She's not here yet, y'all, but she is on the way. But Ari, yeah. Ari should have, I don't even know because this is not accurate anymore. All right, formula is not getting stuffed today. We'll start stuffing formula and her clothing later. Health is not getting stuffed today. My chiropractor is getting 35, so 25, 35, 25, 35. I go to the chiropractor because I am pregnant and I need her help, okay? So in chiropractor, we should have 20, 45, 55, 65, 61. My chiropractor visits are $69 each visit. Craft is not getting anything. An emergency is getting 70. All right, so let's see. Let's see here. Okay. Hold on. Let's go to car. 20, 40, 50. 20, 40, 60. All right, that's what we're gonna do. I crack myself up. Like, y'all, me and counting money is so funny. But okay, anyways, back to emergency. Emergency is getting 70, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. So all right. And student loans, that is what is left because I hit everything else. So student loans, I left for my envelopes, I left gas money and food money in the bank, which was $60. And yeah, so what I have next now is student loans, which I forgot to make an envelope for. So, well, not for credit cards, because this was originally, you know what? I have an idea. I'm going to keep it in the envelope that it was originally in, which was debt. And I'll just keep this envelope to the side, I guess. So, because some of this money in here is student loan money. So actually, where are the 10s go? Okay, hold on. Yeah. 10, 25. That's student loan money. And student loans is only getting 30 and I have 40. So I have to break this down. All right. Okay, y'all, I'm all over the place. Sorry. But yeah, okay. So right now I have $25 in student loans and it is getting 30 because it is almost time to start back paying these student loans. Byron, you said you was gonna cancel them. I need you to cancel my student loans right now. Right now. 20, 30, 45, 55. I have $55 in my student loan. And guess what? If they don't cancel my student loans, they just gonna get the minimum payment for the rest of my life. Because I'm not paying that. I'm kidding. I'm gonna pay it because I want to be debt free, but yeah, $55 going in student loans. I'm not sure where this money go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in my credit card. I'm gonna put it back here with the credit card. Yup, surely is. And yeah, that's just gonna be that on that. So yeah, y'all, we are done. Thank you so much for watching my first video and sticking around with all my hot mess, my madness. This video was a hot mess, so like me. But thank you so much. I hope you all stick around for my next video. Bye.